Hey gamers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were tackling a common issue that faced by PS5 Slim users, a controller update that stuck. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to resolve this frustrating problem. So this issue can be caused by various factors, but fear not, we have got the solutions you need. So let's jump right in. So the first solution is restart PS5 Slim. Locate the power button on the front of the PS5 Slim and press and hold it until you hear a beep. This will turn off the console and then wait for 30 seconds after the console has shut down. After that, press the power button on the front of the PS5 Slim to turn it on and then try to update controller again. Solution 2. Power cycle PS5 Slim. Turn off the PS5 Slim console by pressing and holding the power button until the beep and shut off. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and then wait for at least 10 minutes. And then plug the power cord back into the console and then turn on the console by pressing the power button. So, there you have it. These are the steps you can take to fix and stuck controller update on your PS5 Slim. Remember, patience and persistence are key when troubleshooting tech issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. So thank for tuning in. If you have any question or suggestion, drop them into the comment below. And be sure to hit that subscribe button for more gaming content. Until next time, goodbye and happy gaming.